Hi Pam, how are you?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing well. How are you today?
I'm doing great. I brought you here today to talk a little bit about a lot of customers looking to make that migration. I have a couple concerns regarding that. I was wondering if you could go over some of that with me.
Sure.
Awesome. Yes, like I said, Atlassian's making a big deal about cloud. They're motivating a lot of customers to make that move and transition from server to cloud if they haven't already. My concern with that is that cloud migration sometimes can be messy. If you don't have a set plan, built from the start, it can get real difficult real quick.
That's
I was just wondering if you could share a little bit about how we can help with being a partner, being a Platinum Solutions partner, how we can help make that a little more easier for customers.
that's a great question, Sarah. E7 Solutions, our mission is to enhance the velocity of information so our customers can do their best and most meaningful work. And many times we see our accounts, especially in the larger, more complex environments, they don't have necessarily the staff and resources to do their most meaningful work and at the same time work through cloud migration. So this is where we can really have a big impact and add value by helping them speed the process of going through the migration by adding resources to their team. And not just any resources, but the highest, best skilled Atlassian certified professionals to help them through that process. So we can simplify the process for them, we make it easier, and we give them a level of assurance that everything is going to be handled correctly so that they can sleep well at night, knowing that they're going to be able to migrate these applications to the cloud and not have a disaster on their hands at the end of the day. So that's what we do, and those are some of the benefits of working with E7.
That's awesome. That's really great. So yeah, like you said, having a partner, we're back to back cloud partner of the year. So how exactly, what would you say some examples are that we can provide that confidence and assurance? What would you say some major concerns are that customers have in making that migration? Sometimes it could be transparency issues or, worrying about the disruptions throughout the process and trying to run day-to-day operations. What are some examples of how we make that a bit easier for customers?
Well, last time we spoke, I said, moving to the cloud is a migration, right? It's a journey, and we help guide through that journey. We chart out a course that's tied to a strategy and delivering business goals and objectives and making sure we meet critical success factors. But each step of that journey is mapped out in advance. Right from the first call, we'll build a team that includes the customer, E7 resources, and Atlassian resources. And we have a proven 6-step process to move them from where they are today into the cloud environment. And that process includes everything from validating security and compliance to making sure that their access and identity management is in place and that their users are provisioned, but then also a much deeper application assessment to ensure that critical functionality in their current marketplace apps or any third-party integrations or any customizations can seamlessly be moved over to the cloud, or that we have a valid workaround for those things. And then everything in between, from building that run book to doing the testing to actually conducting the end migration, we make sure that that plan is completely in place and we don't have any surprises. We even are thoughtful about things that might come up that would be an obstacle or a roadblock to success, and we make sure to work through those things in advance so the customer can rest assured that their project is going to be delivered on time, on budget, and that it's going to be successful in the final end state. So again, those are some of the benefits of working with a company like E7.
That's awesome. I appreciate you sharing that. And I'm looking forward to sharing that back with our customers, giving them a little more confidence and reassurance in that. Yeah, on top of all that, we are offering through Atlassian is doing loyalty discounts right now. And we can assist customers in figuring out the eligibility requirements and how they can apply for those, right?
Absolutely. We'd be happy to help. And we also deliver that initial assessment for free. So if you have clients that are looking at cloud and not sure which direction they want to go, have them get in touch with us. The initial assessment is no charge, and we'll walk through that migration checklist with them and just make sure they're a good candidate before they get started.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing that. I'll make sure I head that back with them and let them know that discovery process is all starting off free. So
Right.
thank you again for your time, Pam, and I can't wait to see you on the next
All right, sounds
episode.
good. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Thanks, Pam. See you later. Bye.